we're going to take a microwave safe dish, about 3/4 of a cup of water, pour that right into that dish. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Mix that up a little bit. And then to make it smell like we have been baking all day, a little bit of vanilla. Probably too much, but oh well. Then just go ahead and open up your microwave. Pop it in there. And we are going to go for about 3 minutes. Okay, and then once the 3 minutes is up, go ahead and open her up there. Be very careful, use a hot pad. Take out your vanilla baking soda mixture. It smells really good. And then with a damp cloth, the insides of your microwave. All spick and span, shiny new. Gotta love it. Easy, easy tip. Thanks for watching.